Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to fade an image in PowerPoint. First, open PowerPoint and create a new presentation. Then, go to Insert and insert a picture. You can insert a picture from your computer or you can insert an online picture. Let's select a picture from here and check Creative Commons only. And let's select this picture, for example. Then click on Insert. Okay, let's try another picture. Insert. Now go to the slide and right click on it and duplicate slide. Now the first way is to go to animations and select the picture, then click on fade. Then add fade from the entrance animation. And you can also select the fade animation from exit animations. And here, select after previous to start the animation after the previous animation. The second option, go to transitions and select the fade transition. And the third way, let's insert a blank slide. The third way is to apply the morph transition to the slide with the picture and the slide without picture. And now go to slideshow and select from beginning to see or to start the show from the first slide. This is the first slide. This is the second slide. This is the third slide. And this is the transition between the third and the fourth slide. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.